Hey there, food explorers! Welcome to another exciting culinary adventure. Today we're diving into the world of a remarkable ingredient carob. Imagine a pod like a bean pod, but filled with sweet, edible pulp. It's nature's candy. Carob is a natural sweetener with a rich history and unique flavor. Carob trees thrive in warm climates, soaking up the Mediterranean sun. It's been a staple ingredient, adding sweetness to snacks and meals. What makes carob special is its versatility. You can use it in many ways. Whether it's powder, chips, or whole pods, there's a form for every recipe. Carob adds a delightful twist to both sweet and savory dishes. If you're searching for a healthier alternative to sugar, carob is your answer. Join me as we explore the amazing benefits and delicious possibilities of carob. Let's talk nutrition, folks. Carob isn't just delicious, it's a nutritional powerhouse. Think of it as a secret weapon for boosting your health. First off, carob is naturally sweet, but it's low in sugar. That's right, you can satisfy your sweet tooth without the sugar rush. It's also packed with fiber, which keeps your digestion happy and helps you feel fuller for longer. But wait, there's more. Carob is a good source of essential minerals like calcium, potassium, and magnesium. These minerals are vital for strong bones, healthy blood pressure, and overall well-being. And here's a bonus. Carob is naturally caffeine-free, so you can enjoy its rich flavor anytime without the jitters. Carob isn't just good for you, it has some impressive health benefits backed by science. Researchers are discovering more and more ways carob can improve our well-being. One exciting area of research is carob's potential to help manage cholesterol levels. Studies suggest that carob fiber can bind to cholesterol in the gut, preventing it from being absorbed into the bloodstream. Carob's high fiber content also makes it a gut health hero. Fiber acts as a prebiotic, feeding the good bacteria in your gut. A healthy gut is linked to improved digestion, a stronger immune system, and even better mood. And if you're watching your weight, carob can be your new best friend. Its low-calorie, high-fiber nature makes you feel full and satisfied, reducing cravings and aiding in weight management. Ready to get cooking with carob? Here's the fun part. Carob is incredibly versatile in the kitchen. You can find it in various forms, each offering a unique way to enjoy its goodness. Carob powder is a popular choice. It has a naturally sweet, slightly nutty flavor that resembles chocolate. Use it as a one-to-one replacement for cocoa powder in your favorite baking recipes. Carob chips are another delicious option. These little gems are perfect for snacking or adding a chocolatey crunch to cookies, muffins, or trail mixes. They're also great for melting and dipping fruit. And don't forget about carob syrup. It's a fantastic natural sweetener for drizzling over pancakes, waffles, or yogurt. You can even use it to make healthy homemade chocolate sauce. Deliciously healthy recipes. Easy treats to try. In this section we will explore some delightful and easy-to-make treats that are both healthy and delicious. Let's put carob into action with some simple yet satisfying recipes that will tantalize your taste buds and leave you craving for more. First up, we have a classic carob chip cookies. These cookies are a fantastic alternative to traditional chocolate chip cookies. These chewy treats are super easy to make, and the carob chips add a delightful chocolatey crunch without the caffeine. Simply swap out the chocolate chips in your go-to cookie recipe with carob chips, and you're good to go. It's a simple change that makes a big difference. Next, let's whip up a batch of creamy carob smoothie. This smoothie is perfect for a quick breakfast or a post-workout snack. Blend together a frozen banana, a scoop of your favorite protein powder, a tablespoon of carob powder, and a splash of almond milk for a nutritious and delicious breakfast or snack. Feeling adventurous? Try making carob bark. It's a fun and easy treat to prepare. Melt carob chips with a bit of coconut oil, spread it out on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, and sprinkle with your favorite toppings like nuts, seeds, or dried fruit. The possibilities are endless. Let it cool and break it into pieces for a healthy and satisfying treat. These pieces are perfect for snacking or sharing with friends and family. Enjoy your delicious and healthy carob creations. Carob versus chocolate, a healthy alternative. Now you might be wondering, how does carob stack up against its popular cousin, chocolate? Well, both have their own unique qualities, but carob shines as a healthier alternative. While chocolate contains caffeine and theobromine, which can be stimulants for some people, carob is naturally caffeine-free and theobromine-free. This makes it a great choice for those who are sensitive to these stimulants. Carob is also naturally sweet, so it requires less added sugar compared to chocolate. This makes it a healthier option for those watching their sugar intake. And let's not forget about the nutritional benefits. Carob is packed with fiber, vitamins and minerals, while chocolate is often processed, which can strip away some of its nutritional value. Scientific evidence backing up the benefits. The benefits of carob aren't just folklore, they're backed by scientific research. Studies reveal its potential health advantages. Researchers have been particularly interested in its nutritional profile and overall well-being contributions. A study found that carob fiber can help lower LDL cholesterol, a major risk factor for heart disease. The fiber binds to cholesterol in the gut, preventing absorption into the bloodstream, supporting cardiovascular health. Another study highlighted carob's potential as a prebiotic, promoting beneficial gut bacteria growth. Prebiotics help good bacteria thrive, supporting digestion, immune function, and mental health. These examples show the growing evidence of carob's health benefits. Research continues to uncover more reasons to embrace this natural treasure. Sustainability, a friend to the planet. Not only is carob good for you, but it's also good for the planet. Carob trees are naturally drought-resistant, meaning they require less water compared to other crops. This makes them a sustainable choice in areas prone to water scarcity. Furthermore, carob trees can grow in poor soil conditions and don't require heavy pesticide use. This reduces the environmental impact associated with conventional farming practices. By choosing carob, you're supporting sustainable agriculture and reducing your ecological footprint. It's a delicious way to nourish your body while being kind to the planet. Conclusion: embrace the carob goodness. There you have it, folks. Carob is a true gift from nature, offering a delicious and healthy alternative to processed sweeteners. From its impressive nutritional profile to its versatility in the kitchen, carob deserves a special place in your pantry. So next time you're looking for a healthy treat, reach for carob. Experiment with carob powder in your baking, snack on carob chips, or drizzle carob syrup over your breakfast. Your taste buds and your body will thank you. Spread the word, share the carob love. Now that you're in on the secret of carob, it's time to spread the word. Share this newfound knowledge with your friends, family, and fellow food enthusiasts. Let's make carob a household name and inspire others to embrace this natural treasure. Share your favorite carob recipes, tips, and tricks on social media. Tag your friends and family in posts about carob's amazing benefits. Together we can create a ripple effect of healthy choices and spread the carob love far and wide. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on superfoods and healthy living. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.